Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Excel on your iPad. The simplest and most direct method is to download the official Microsoft Excel application from the Apple App Store. This free app provides essential tools for managing your spreadsheets. For those needing more advanced capabilities, a Microsoft 365 subscription will unlock the full suite of features, making your iPad a powerful mobile office. Getting the app is straightforward. First, open the App Store on your iPad. In the search bar, type Microsoft Excel and then select the official app. Tap the Get button or the cloud icon to begin the download and installation process. The app usually requires about 200 megabytes of storage, so ensure you have enough space available on your device. The free Excel app on your iPad is excellent for basic tasks like viewing, creating, and making simple edits to your spreadsheets. However, for more sophisticated functions, such as using pivot tables, advanced charting, or custom macros, a Microsoft 365 subscription is necessary. This subscription transforms your iPad into a powerful mobile workstation with full desktop-like Excel capabilities. Once installed, open the Excel app. You can sign in with your Microsoft account to access cloud-saved files or start fresh. The app lets you create new workbooks or open existing ones from services like OneDrive or Dropbox. With its intuitive touch-friendly interface, you can easily manage your data and stay productive, whether you are at home or on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.